Hi everybody, good day to you. In our last video, we saw how to find the area of plane figures. Rectangle, triangle, trapezium, square and circle. These areas you have already studied in your previous lessons. Today we are going to see how to find the area of three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures in the sense cube. If you look at this, a cube is, it's all the faces are square. This is called cube. Cuboid faces are rectangle shape, and pyramid base is square base pyramid, and prism. So prism is a triangular prism we are going to see in this, and also cylinder. So today we are going to see these shapes, how to find the surface area of these three-dimensional figures. All of you know the cube is a square face, and all the sides are equal. If you look at the face, one face, say 5 centimeter length, 5 centimeter height, 5 centimeter breadth. So the surface area, it has 6 surfaces. So one surface is length into breadth, that is 5 into 5, 25 centimeters squared. So the area of a face, this face is 5 into 5. So we know there are 6 surfaces. You can see 3 visible and similar surfaces at the back side of this figure. Therefore, we must multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 and 3 15. 150 centimeters squared. So when you find the surface area of a cube, you should know all the faces are equal. Therefore, we must multiply the area of one face by 6 times, because there are 6 faces. But it is completely different in a cuboid. This is cube. This is cuboid. In cuboid, you see, there are 3 different faces. Now look at this. This is 10 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. So this face A, and this is another different face. Here 10, here 5. So this is B, and this side one face is there, C. So there are 3 different faces, but like A, there are 2 faces. You must know that there is another side of this cuboid. That side, even though it is not visible, we can guess there is another side. Here, see, everything is doubled. So if you look at the surface area of A, face A, length into breadth, 10 into 3, 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters square. Base B, that is length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter. So 10 into 5, 50 centimeters squared. And this side, you can see this side, that is 5 into 3. Side C, 5 into 3, 15 centimeters squared. So the total visible 3 faces area is 5, 8, 95 centimeters squared. But we should know there are another 3 faces at the back side of this figure. Therefore, there are 2 faces like this. Every face has doubled. 2 5s are 10, 2 2 nines are 18 and 1 19, 190 centimeters squared. So remember, when you find the area of surface area of a cuboid, you must find the 3 different faces area, add them and multiply by 2, the total surface area comes. So this is how we have to find the surface area of a cuboid. Now let's see how to find the surface area of a square based pyramid. This is called pyramid. Pyramid is square based pyramid. The down face is square. So this is 10, this is 10, and the height of the face, the perpendicular height is 6 centimeter. Then we can easily find the base area, being it's a square, length into breadth 10 into 10, 100 centimeters squared. There are 4 triangular faces are there, being the bottom is like a square, all 4 triangles are equal. So if you find the area of the triangle, for example, if you look at this triangle which I am shading, half into base into height, so that is 30 centimeters squared. But we must know there are 4 faces like these triangle faces. So into 4, 120 centimeters squared. So if you cover the full area, 4 triangle is 120 centimeters squared, base is 100 centimeters squared, total surface area is 100 plus 120, 220 centimeters squared. So I am again telling you, if you want to find the area of a pyramid, square base pyramid, first find the base. Base is a square, 10 into 10, 100. And find the area of a triangle. The base is 10, height is 6 given. Therefore, we can find the area of the triangle, half into base into height, that is 30 centimeters squared. But we should not forget there are 4 triangular faces here. So multiply by 4, you will be getting 120 centimeters squared. Therefore, the total surface area of a pyramid is 220 centimeters squared. Right. So now we will move on to the prism. Here prism, there are so many type of prisms are there, but in our syllabus we are having a triangular prism. A prism, we must know a triangular face. There are 2 triangular, similar triangular faces, same triangles are there 2, and here 3 rectangular faces you can see. The 3 rectangular faces, this is the base is one rectangle, and this side one rectangle is there, and that side one rectangle is there. Therefore, we should find the rectangle faces separately and the triangle faces separately. Then we have to add them. If it is an equilateral triangle, it's very easy for us because all 3 rectangles are going to be same and the triangles are going to be the same. For example, if it is an equilateral triangle face comes, we must know if this base is say if it is 8 centimeter, if you draw the perpendicular height, right, and this is 3 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. For example, I am telling the base is 8, mean here half, 4, right. So this is going to be 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. All are given. So you don't need to worry about that. The lengths will be given to you. Only thing you have to find the surface area. If you find the triangular face area, half into base is 8 into height is 3. So if you cut 12 centimeters squared. So there are two triangles are there. So multiply by 2. The two triangular surfaces is 24 centimeters squared. Now look at this rectangles. 3 rectangles are there. All 3 rectangles are going to be no. This we'll take this. Let it be isosceles triangle, not equal. I am sorry. It is going to be an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. If it is an isosceles triangle, this side and this side will be 5, 5, and here base is 8. So we are going to get 2 similar rectangles, and the base rectangle will be different from the others. Therefore, if this rectangle is 5 into 10, 5 into 10, 50 centimeters squared, that is 2 are there, therefore 100 centimeters squared. 2 rectangles, this side and that side. The base one is completely a different size, because base length is 8 and length is 10. So 8 into 10, 80 centimeters squared. So the total surface area is 2 triangular faces already found, 24, plus 2 rectangles on either side of the triangle is 100, and the bottom one is 80. Altogether 100, 180, 80 and 204. 204 centimeters squared. So now you understood how to find the surface area of a prism, triangular prism. Sometimes a triangular may be in different size, like the following one. I will show you another triangular prism with different faces. Now you can see, let it be 90 degree. So if it is 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, we can find out using Pythagoras theorem 10 centimeter. 8 square plus 6 square equal 100. Therefore this is 10. Let the length be 20 centimeter. Okay. So when you see these lengths all are given, being it is a right angle triangle, the area of the right angle triangle face is half into 6 into 8. So if you cut that, 24 centimeters squared coming. So being there is 2 triangular faces, same triangles 2 are there. So into 2, 48 centimeters square triangle face. Now look at the rectangle. There are 3 type of rectangles are there. So in the front side, 10 into 20. You can see this 10 into 20. That rectangle is A. So that is 10 into 20, 200 centimeters squared. Rectangle B, that is the other side, that is B. This is A. I am marking this rectangle now. B. That is 8 into 20. 8 into 20. This is 8. This is 20. 8 into 20. 160 centimeters squared. And the C is the bottom one. That is 6 into 20. So 120 centimeter squared. So the total 3 faces are 200, 160, 360 and 460 and 20, 480 centimeters squared. You add that and see clearly. 480 is the 3 rectangular faces, and 48 centimeters squared is there for 2 triangular faces. So if you add that 48 with 480, 528 centimeters square comes. So look at this again. I tell you, these are different prism with different sides. So the 3 different faces are there, rectangular faces, and 2 similar triangular faces are there. So this is how we are finding the area of 3-dimensional figures. So I think In this video you studied how to find the total surface area of cube, cuboid, pyramid and prism. Prism means triangular prisms. I think this is really be helpful to you, and next video we will see how to find the area of surface area of cylinder. So cylinder is a different face, so we will see it next video.